As an artificial intelligence expert and a digital marketer, do you think AI is going to take over jobs in the nearest future?
So I'm super glad you asked, because I think we are taking this whole AI thing wrongly. AI is not going to replace humans. Humans are going to replace humans. Yes, humans who are using artificial intelligence to do 3 months working in 5 hours are going to replace those who are doing work manually. Companies who are using AI cut down their labor cost, cut down their transportation cost, cut down the cost of operation on a daily basis are the ones that are going to replace those other companies who are sitting on the fence. Now, we shouldn't be scared of AI. We should be scared of our competitors who are using artificial intelligence while we are there seated on the fence, waiting for whatever it is. So that is how it works, because if there's anything that is constant, it's change. Artificial intelligence is way cheaper. It doesn't rest, it's on 24 hours. Doesn't complain about fuel scarcity, fuel subsidy. It's always on time. It's cheaper. The change is constant. Eventually, everybody's going to move over. So the question is, will it be an early adopter of AI, or will it wait till you play catch? That is why in my coming book, in my upcoming ebook, in fact, I did a good job there because I'm not going to leave you guys in the dark. In my upcoming ebook, I talked about what actually artificial intelligence is and how you can use artificial intelligence tools to fasten productivity in your workplace or even on your daily work. I hope you grab a copy of the book when it comes out.
Sure.
All right.